Sorry, just moved on.
Thank you. I never remember the drive being this long.
Yeah, it's a pretty long way away.
Do you always keep your swimming stuff limber?
Yeah, most of the time. Besides like wet towels and stuff. Can you play some music for me, please?
Do you have same passcode or?
No, I don't have a passcode.
Okay. Like last playlist?
Yeah, play whatever song.
Okay.
When your legs don't work like they used to.
What the fuck? What was that?
What?
Why you
Listen to Ed Sheeran?
Venezuela?
The whole squad listens to it.
What? Is that a bit? Is that a joke?
I like all music. What's the problem? Do I go that way or?
I don't know. I don't know cars very much.
It's more like you need to know roads.
I don't have my license. I don't have to worry about cars.
Yeah.
Now you ask me about a train, and I'll give it to you like that.
I'm sure you can.
I know my schedule back to front.
Have you ever tried a bus?
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, you put your lips on it. That wasn't an invitation
Well, I'm used
to
to.
put your lips on
I
the
mean,
water bottle.
It's different. Like when you're in the water, it's like it doesn't really matter. It's just gonna get washed off by the water anyway.
Yeah, but there's we're not in water.
Well,
You didn't need to do
I
that.
mean, every time I've borrowed your drink bottle in the past, there's never been an issue.
it's not my drink bottle though.
Whose is it?
Hunter's. He gave it to me.
Why did he give you a drink bottle? It's like, here you go, poor thing. Here is your drink bottle.
No, he just lends me stuff.
Here's your. Oh, let me lend you.
He's nice. He's generous. I don't see a problem with
Yeah, I
it.
remember him being so generous.
He is. He's changed. He's grown up. Maybe if you stuck around, you would have seen it happen. I can put my lips on it.
You're going ham on that drink bottle.
I can put my lips on it. You can't.
That's not fair.
Yeah. Well,
Well, God, no one calls me William anymore.
yeah. I mean, I like William. Suits you. I think you should use it more often.
Thanks, I guess.
If I ever need a ride again, could you give me a lift?
Yeah, I'd like that.
See you then.
Today I'll trick Ella to go on the train.
Now you ask me about a train, I'll give it to you like that. I'm sure you can.
At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. Oh yeah, yeah. At last, the sky